This is the Interstellar Hazard Reduction Team's investor pitch submission, Merit, for the 2015 Conrad Spirit of Innovation Challenge.
In February of 2009, two satellites collided and were destroyed, producing large amounts of debris that will remain a threat to spacecraft traveling in or out of low Earth orbit through 2024.
This debris field continuously expands. NASA's developed systems such as Legend that are capable of tracking the orbits of this debris, preventing many collisions.
These systems have a limited range and can only detect debris within a 50,000 kilometer range from Earth's surface. Even though the concentration of the man-made debris dwindles outside of this region, the inability to track road debris requires the development of a system capable of detecting hazardous materials at any location.
Merit, or Meteorite Electromagnetic Railgun Interstellar Technology, detects hazardous objects using an infrared system located on the spacecraft without heavy burden on the spacecraft's power. This device poses no threat to the humans or machines on board.
Merit works by emitting an infrared wave and allowing it to bounce off of an object and travel back, with the time spent traveling telling operators the distance the object is away from the craft. With the range being approximately 50,000 kilometers, the crew on the spacecraft will have 20 minutes to maneuver accordingly.
With 6 modules mounted to the outside of the craft, opposite of each other and perpendicular in the front, infrared emission is allowed in all directions.
2 railguns will be mounted on each side of the spacecraft, each 15 feet long and capable of launching 3D printed projectiles at 5,800 meters per second in case of the inability to maneuver.
The 3D printed projectiles will be about 3.2 kilograms, made of metal, and will be able to, once fired, knock hazardous objects out of the path of the spacecraft.
Merit will allow safer travel throughout the solar system and beyond. Without this innovative system, space exploration, so necessary to our survival, will end in low Earth orbit.